The Eiffel Tower, an enduring symbol of Paris and France, stands as a testament to the ingenuity and vision of its creator, Gustave Eiffel, and his team. Designed for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, the tower was initially intended as a temporary structure to celebrate the centennial of the French Revolution. Despite early criticism for its radical design, it has become a beloved global icon. Gustave Eiffel, a distinguished engineer and bridge builder, had already established a reputation for innovative metal structures. His company, Eiffel et Compagnie, was responsible for the internal frame of the Statue of Liberty. When the opportunity to design a centerpiece for the 1889 World's Fair arose, Eiffel seized it, envisioning a structure that would showcase the potential of iron as a building material. The design of the Eiffel Tower was a collaborative effort, with significant contributions from Maurice Koechlin and Émile Nouguier, senior engineers in Eiffel's company, and Stephen Sauvestre, the architect. The final design, a 300-meter-tall iron lattice tower, was both an engineering marvel and a bold artistic statement. Construction began in January 1887, amidst significant public skepticism. The project faced numerous challenges, including logistical difficulties in transporting large amounts of iron to the heart of Paris and erecting the tower within the stringent 2-year deadline. Despite these hurdles, the Eiffel Tower was completed on time, opening on March 31, 1889, and immediately becoming a sensation. The tower's unique design featured 3 levels accessible to the public, with restaurants and shops. The top level offered unparalleled views of Paris, attracting visitors from around the world. Its height of 300 meters, supplemented later by antennas reaching 324 meters, made it the tallest man-made structure until the completion of the Chrysler Building in New York City in 1930. Initially, the Eiffel Tower was not universally loved. Many prominent Parisians derided its modern, untraditional aesthetic, deeming it unsightly. However, over time, it won over its critics and became a beloved symbol of Parisian innovation and flair. The tower was also significant for scientific purposes. Eiffel himself used it for experiments in meteorology, aerodynamics, and telecommunications. During World War I, its height made it a valuable asset for radio communications. Over the decades, the Eiffel Tower has undergone numerous renovations to enhance safety, accessibility, and visitor experience. It has hosted various cultural events and has been featured in countless films and artworks, further cementing its status as a cultural icon. Today, the Eiffel Tower remains one of the most visited monuments in the world, attracting millions of tourists annually. Its nightly light shows continue to enchant residents and visitors alike, making it a symbol of the enduring allure and romance of Paris. Despite its initial purpose as a temporary exhibit, the Eiffel Tower has become an indelible part of the Paris skyline and a lasting tribute to human creativity and engineering prowess.